What it do, my queens? It's your AB queen, also known as your sister Lestina, and in today's video, honey, we got a full holiday glam. It came out really flawless. This is something you could wear on Christmas. It's actually Christmas Eve now that I'm recording this video. I don't know when this look will be up. It will probably be on Christmas or after. It'll probably be after. I hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I do. If you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you tune in and watch the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Queens, I'm back on our YouTube scene. Honey, we're gonna start with the brows first, and we're gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Aubrun, and we're gonna start off with outlining these brows, honey. Outlining the bottom first, and then I'm going to take it up to the top and do the same as well. So I'm taking my spoolie and I'm going to be brushing out the front of the brow and then doing the same on the other side. The key to doing brows is going slow. If you think about the rush and get some crisp brows, baby, no, you sadly mistaken. You have to take your time on brows. I don't care what nobody says. It really reflects and it really shows if you rushed or took your time. In my opinion, it does. Because when I rush, I can definitely tell. And when I, you know, take my time, I'm very well pleased. So I'm taking my P. Louise base. I'm just going to be concealing my brows with this. And after I do that, I'm going to bring the base down onto my eyelids to prepare for our eyeshadow. Moving right along into eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking my Lurella's Cosmetics Rockin Moroccan palette, and I'm going to take this bright green shade. I don't know the name at the moment. It'll be linked below. And we're going to start off with this green shade, and I'm going to pack that into my crease. And excuse my lighting, I really don't know what was going on in this video. Like, it really kept just playing with me, honey. I swear it's always trial and error with my angle and with my light. That is so annoying. But for some reason it was just giving like a dark cast. I don't know what it was. But hopefully that doesn't distract y'all, honey. After packing down that green shade, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm taking a small brush to do this. And I'm going to kind of bring it in to the forefront just a tad bit. We're still keeping it on the outer edges though. And I'm going in with my Box of Crayons palette by the Crayon case. I'm taking that red shade and I'm going to be blending that on top of that first crease shade. Okay, keep blending that red shade until it is flared out to your liking, and then go back in with that green shade and just blend out those harsh edges and really marry the two shades together. this combo really just gave the definition to the glam look. Like, this is really, it was next level for me. Like, I just loved how I created this eye look. I'm taking some baby wipes and I'm just going to be erasing the space where I'm going to be putting another eyeshadow color. This is just another method. You can still use micellar water, you can still use concealer, but child, I was rushing to go, so I was just like, you know, I'm finna try this baby wipe method real quick, and it actually worked. So now I'm gonna take my Peely Weeze base and I'm just going to fill in that space and cut along that crease. After carving that crease out, I'm just going to be taking one of my brushes and I'm going to pat that down and make sure there's no creases, make sure the base is flat, and you know, get everything lined up and together, so when we put on this eyeshadow, it's gonna go on smooth and it's not gonna crack, none of that. Taking that green shade in that small eyeshadow brush again, I'm going to be blending this eyeshadow in a diagonal motion from the outer corner of my eye to the inner corner of where my lash begins. So I'm giving it this ombre effect, you know what I'm saying, this like mint green shadow going on. Okay, so I'm going to do that on the first eye and then I'm going to repeat it on the second eye. Right here, I was just going back and I was just elongating that shape because it kind of gave me like a cat eye shape. So I was just taking that brush and flaring it out just a little bit more to give it that cat look. Ooh, it really did its thing. Okay, then I'm gonna take that white shade from that Morphe 35B palette and I'm gonna put that in the space where the green is not at, just to set that base. Going in with my B Simone Beauty lipstick in the shade Baby Girl. I'm gonna be making a wing, okay? This is my first time using lipstick as an eyeliner, but I've seen it be done before, so I had to try it, honey. I was nervous, but I'm very glad I took that risk and did it because this really popped the look for me. I'm really glad I did this. Now taking my lashes from Nubian Beautique in the style Fancy, I'm going to be applying them. But before that, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Lashes on, so now we can get started on this flawless face. We're going to take the Fenty Beauty Hydration Primer and we're going to smooth that all over our face, and then we're going to follow up with the Fenty Beauty Foundation, Pro Filt'R Foundation in the shade 100. Going in with my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 100. I'm going to be putting this down as a highlight. Taking my Fenty Beauty Contour Matchstick in the shade Truffled, I'm going to be carving out this beautiful face to start contouring. Okay. When I blend out my contour, I like to do like a little circular motion. I start from the back of my face to the front. I do a circular motion and then I just kind of pat it onto my cheek. If you see the motion I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? And then I'll go back in and I'll blend it out, any like harsh edges with my beauty blender, as you can see in the video. So yeah, it's just like a process when it comes to highlighting and contouring. You just gotta really know your face shape and how to blend. Once you get those two concepts, highlighting and contouring is gonna be easy for you, sis. Alright, now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Lavender, and we're going to set this face. Taking my Fenty Beauty Bronzer in the shade Private Island, I'm going to be setting my contour areas with this. And we're going to warm the face back up, bring some color back to it. Taking that same setting powder, I'm going to be cutting my contour and just buffing it out so it won't seem so harsh. Wiping away this powder, honey. We are not gonna bake for too long under the eyes, but everywhere else we are, like the nose and under the contour. Going in with my Black Radiance Beauty blush in the shade Toasted Almond, we're going to get these cheeks rose up, honey. Okay, this just brought out the look even more. Like, it just contrasted and bounced off the red shadow. It was bust. I'll put some NYX eyeshadow base down in the color Milk, and then I'm just going to go over it with that red shadow that we used, and we're going to do my bottom eyeshadow. After that's completed, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty What It Do setting spray, and we're just going to spritz this mist all over us. Going in with that same Be Simone lipstick in the shade Baby Girl, and I'm going to put that on my lips. I thought I was going to take her other lipstick and put it in the middle. It's a gloss, but I just decided to stick to the red. Now we're gonna be putting some glow, some highlight on my face using the ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Flexitarian. If you're an OG subscriber, you know I used to use this all the time. Like, it's literally the holy grail, child. And baby girl, we are all done. Ta-da! And this is the completed look for this tutorial, you guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you're a real OG, you're a real queen, and I appreciate that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, turn on the notification bell, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to showcase, embrace, and beat your face.